Welcome to Beautonic Life, and today I am going to teach you how to make keto pizza spaghetti squash. This recipe is very simple and easy to customize with your favorite pizza topping. By the way, spaghetti squash is also amazing substitution for pasta. So let me show you what you need to make this delicious dish. Spaghetti squash, shredded mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese you like. Pizza sauce, I love this brand, but you can also use crushed tomatoes or marinara sauce, whatever you have handy at home. We also need simple spices. I am using Celtic salt, black pepper and garlic powder. For topping, I will use cherry tomatoes and extra cheese, fresh basil, and you can also use pepperoni, whatever you like. So now let me preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The recipe for this pizza will be posted below the video. Now I am using a very sharp knife to trim off the top and the end. Yeah, nice. Now I am dividing the squash in half. Using a large spoon, I am scooping out the seeds. The spaghetti squash takes a while to bake, but the rest will go easy and fast. We can use the seeds for different recipe. All we just need to do is clean up and roast in the oven. Okay, our squash is already clean, so I am going to put on baking sheet. Okay, now I am drizzling with olive oil. And sprinkle with Celtic salt, fresh ground black pepper, and powder. So now I am going to put the squash into an oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. This depends on how big is your squash. So I will see you in a moment. The squash is ready and cooled down already. All you need to do is grab a fork and shred our squash to make spaghetti like noodles. Nice. I am going to place the spaghetti noodles in a separate bowl. Try to be gentle to not break the skin of the squash. Okay. I promise you this recipe is very delicious and kids love it too. Now I am going to add mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, and mix together. Let me turn my oven to a broil. The last step here is to put the cheese and all the yumminess into the half of the squash. We will top with extra cheese. I am still using mozzarella, but Parmesan would be great as well. Okay. Cherry tomatoes. So I will broil this on low for about 5-10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and become brown. See you in a moment. Wow! Look at this! Looks so yummy. I'm hungry already. It looks like pizza, just in the squash. All you need is to top with fresh basil or any herbs you like. For the beautiful presentation, let me just put it this way. Okay, so this is pretty much it for this video. Our dinner is ready. Please comment below the video how you use squash in your kitchen, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and if you wanted to see more videos like this, please put a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!